Konnichiwa fellow crafters, and welcome back to the Origami Workshop. In today's episode we're going to make an origami bird, just like this one. This is a practice run I did just before we started filming. So this will show you what we're going to be up to today. So without further ado, time to grab our origami paper and it's time to fly. So as with all our origami projects, we start off with a piece of origami paper, 6 inches by 6 inches square, or 15 by 15 centimeters in old money. And let's start with the first. Let's start with the first fold. So first fold will be to. So we fold this. So we turn our paper from square to diamond, and then fold the top point of your diamond to meet the bottom point of the diamond to turn it into a triangle like that. Unfold it, and then fold your left point of the diamond to meet the right hand one, like that. Then next stage, we'll turn the triangle so the point is now pointing to the left. And what we'll do is we'll take this part of the triangle, take both sheets of paper and fold it over so this point of the triangle just overlaps. So we just want it to overlap. Just give you a closer look. We want it to overlap. So it's just going to overlap just around here. Well, it's about 1.5 inches. So you can, I think when you've done a couple, you can just gauge it by eye. That's probably the easier way. So now we take the top layer of that triangle. Yeah, because there's two layers. We take the top layer, just fold it up, and we fold that over. Just make sure you have only just got the top one. You'll see why in a moment. Now we just fold that over like that, so we have a shape like this. And you just see this, the bottom here. That's the kind of gap we want when that layer goes over. And you'll see why shortly. So now, our next stage, this next step, the bird's going to take shape now. So we're going to fold that over like this. So the tip here meets that tip. These will form the wings, and we just fold that down like that. And you can see now our bird and its wings are starting to take shape. Speaking of wings, that's our next job. So we fold this wing here. We'll just fold it up just a little way. Then like this, and then just push down the edge there so we've got one wing. Then turn it over, then repeat on the other side. So like that. Then let's turn our bird over. You can see now we've got the beginning of our origami bird. We've got the wings, we've got the body. Now we've just got to give them a beak. Now for the beak, we look at the front. Just hold the model just like this. We just fold in, just push in the front of the very front of it like so. Then just pinch the front of it there, and then just give them that gives them a little beak there. And lastly, just smooth off that edge and just check all your folds, make sure they're all folded in, and so there we have it. You have one origami bird. And you can also give this origami bird a bit of detail, so you could just draw an eye here, or draw some patterns on the wings, on the top and the underneath of the wings, to really customize it. And there you have a bird for display. You could either put it on the shelf, or you could put a little bit of string on here to hang it up on the ceiling. Have a little like a mobile display. It'll look rather nice, especially this time of year with the amount of birds we get here in the garden, here at the workshop. So yeah, I think that looks very good, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's all we've got time for today in the origami workshop. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not one of our regular subscribers. Yeah, click the subscribe button, hit notification bell so you can get notifications of the videos that are coming up later this year. In fact, we've got a two-part Halloween video coming up in October. I don't do much don't really do much Halloween crafts these days, but I thought now we're sort of allowed to have Halloween parties. We've got a two-part video on that coming up. There's more episodes of the Origami Workshop coming up later this year. From late November, we've got the first of 4 episodes of Underneath the Tree coming up. So if you're one of our viewers last year who watched the season 1 of Underneath the Tree, definitely stay tuned with season 2. We've got 4 absolutely cracking episodes coming up, which I guarantee you'll enjoy. As well as being one of our regular subscribers, you can also follow us on social media on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The handles are coming up at the end of this video. Also, don't forget you can follow us on Patreon, support our work in the community. And for our UK viewers, you can also follow us on nextdoor.co.uk, where you can shop and learn to your heart's content for our Nextdoor group. Currently, we have around 100 members in that group currently, which is just short. Yeah, this is just over under a year old now. You can get access to local events. These videos are also viewed through the Nextdoor group. You can make new friends, share craft ideas. It's a really fun group, and I hope a lot of our UK viewers will check that out. Also, from September, we'll also be offering craft groups through the website Class Bento. Yeah, from September, we've got face-to-face groups running in the community from September. It'll be a good chance to meet some of our viewers in person and hopefully teach them many different craft skills and which will help with their well-being. And last but not least, you can also see us on our website www.runnymecrafts.com. You can access our online shop there, see our community work, access this channel, social media channels, and also just get a chance to say hello, see some of the courses we're doing, and see some of how our craft and well-being work helps the community, especially during this very difficult time we're going through. So once again, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay crafty, and sayonara for now.